Hey, what's up guys? JP here with J.P.BBQ. Welcome back to my channel. Appreciate you guys tuning in. It is a beautiful Sunday morning and nothing goes better with us in a Sunday morning than some Huevos Rancheros. That's what we're going to be making today. I'm going to teach you guys how to make some Huevos Rancheros, and you guys stay tuned and I'll show you how these Huevos Rancheros come out JP style. I got my griddle fired up. It's nice and hot. I got my salsa roja, my red salsa, because that's what goes good with Huevos Rancheros. I got tortillas over here on this side, and I'm gonna drop an egg on this griddle, and we get this party started. Uno, 2 eggs. Go perfect with some Huevos Rancheros. We let these bad boys get cooked up. Put a little bit of salsa roja, our red salsa on it. Tortillas, some frijolitos negros machacados, and perfect breakfast for a Sunday morning. Sunday mornings is usually a tradition. Well, not usually, but it is a tradition in Texas. If on Sunday mornings, people usually eat menudo. And I'll put a description of what menudo is down in the bottom, but it's a very, very authentic Mexican soup type dish that's made with tripe. So, and also the other thing that's very popular on Sunday mornings in Texas is barbacoa. And barbacoa is a different style of barbecue, because translated barbacoa is barbecue, except where the meat actually comes from. When I was a kid growing up in Texas, my dad on Sundays would go to the carniceria and he would get barbacoa, which actually came from the head of the cow, and the meat was cooked overnight slowly. And Sunday mornings you would go to these carnicerias and they had these barbacoa, and man, it was so good, so good. Sometimes I missed my childhood growing up, because it was just Sunday mornings was just a very tradition type day in Texas, and what we're trying to do here today is pass on that tradition to our own kids, and hopefully my kids will continue the tradition as they grow up. But for right now, we're making some Huevos Rancheros, and these eggs are coming out nice. So these eggs are just about done. That's the way I like my eggs, sunny side up, and that's the traditional way of doing Huevos Rancheros on a Sunday morning. Nice and sunny side up, and we're gonna put some of our red salsa right on top of them, and flip this tortilla over here. And that's what you call breakfast at the JP household on Sunday morning. Got some frijolitos negros machacados, some huevos sunny side up with some red salsa, and this is your traditional Huevos Rancheros. It's time to eat. You guys, we're gonna do a little taste test. You can see we got our frijolitos negros machacados right here, our 2 fried eggs, and our red salsa right on top. I don't want to say is a typical Sunday morning breakfast, because again, like I said earlier, most things that we would eat on Sunday morning back home in Texas, my dad would go out to the carniceria and come back with barbacoa, and the other thing my mom would make was menudo. Boy, I love menudo. My sister-in-law, married to my little brother, she makes a wonderful menudo. I mean, it is really good. But right now, we're gonna try out these huevos, because this is what we're having at the JP household. And the way you would do it is you just get your tortilla, rip a little piece off of it like that, and get you some frijolitos and some eggs. And put it right on your, ooh man, I love this yolk. Put it right on your tortilla. And sometimes you would use the tortilla itself as a scoop, you can say. So, but here we go. Oh man, that's good. It's not like Mama used to make it, but it's close enough. But give me another little bite. Fantastic, guys. Loving it. So this is my presentation of doing some Sunday morning breakfast. If you guys like what I'm doing here, do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button over there and give it a like. Share it with your friends, and click on that bell over there. That way you can get future notifications of some upcoming videos. I do videos every week. The other thing also, I have a web store, a website where I sell some of my products, and you can find all my barbecue rubs and my sauces online. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys watching my video, and I will see you on the next cookout. Have a good one.